Okay guys, today is the last update, and it's about a new service Spark is offering to all e-bikers around the entire country. In running Spark over the past 5 years, we have seen a significant issue with people who have problems with their bikes, bring them to a shop, and they can never get them worked on. And the most common repair request is a flat tire. So what do you do if you live in a remote part of the country? Well, you're kind of out of options. Unless you have a tire changing system, it's very hard to do motorcycle tires, and it can also be very hard to do regular e-bike tires. Not everyone is equipped with the tools or the knowledge on how to do this, and so Spark is announcing a new service where you can send us your wheel and we will do the entire flat repair. Eventually this will expand to new tire options, but to start, in the middle of August, we're going to be launching a flat repair service. So how does it work? You will go to Spark's website, go to the flat repair service page, you select your wheel size, and you state whether it is a rear wheel or a front wheel, and the size of that wheel. Spark will then present you with a specific box maximum. So you must find a box to put your wheel in that fits within that maximum dimension. And once you do that, Spark will email you a shipping label for your wheel. You will then send that wheel to Spark, we will do the tire change, and we will send it right back to you. In the future, when we have tire options, you will also be able to select the different tires, and we will do the recycling end of things for the old tires.